Oh, hey my friends, it's me, Handyman Hal. How are you? I hope you're doing absolutely awesome today. I'm here in my workshop, just thinking about what an awesome year we've had. It's been great, especially getting to spend it with you. Oh, it's been an amazing time. Oh, we even had some amazing songs together. Oh, let's see. Oh, like the time we went to Gilbert's Ice Cream. Oh, we had an ice cream song. It was great. Oh, let's see. Oh, even the lawn care song. I got to use the lawnmower and the weed eater. That was great. Oh, let's see. Oh, don't forget about the car wash. Oh, we had an amazing car wash song. I love going through the car wash, and I bet you do too. Oh, and we cannot forget the awesome song, because we're all awesome. Let's go check these songs out. Oh, check this out. We've already got it on the label. It says Handyman Hal's Cookie Crumble. Oh, this is gonna be great. So we'll just slide it right in there and freeze it, and it's gonna be ready to go soon. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Here we go now. Chocolate, vanilla, or maybe strawberry. I like them all so much that I might just eat all three. Yeah, ice cream, it tastes so good. I'd like some ice cream if I could, because ice cream tastes so good. That's right. Rocky Road or chocolate chip, cookie dough, cookies and cream. I like them all so much that I'm gonna have to scream. Yeah, ice cream, it tastes so good. I'd like some ice cream if I could, because ice cream tastes so good. That's right. In a sundae, maybe a cone, or on a stick, what a treat. Say it all with me now, that ice cream can't be beat. Yeah, ice cream, it tastes so good. I'd like some ice cream if I could, because ice cream tastes so good. That's right. Yeah, ice cream, it tastes so good. I'd like some ice cream if I could, because ice cream tastes so good. That's right.
Hey kids, today we're taking care of the lawn, and we've got this fun song. So grab your hat and gloves and hopefully you'll sing along. Are you ready? Come on! The handyman has got a plan. If anyone can do it, you know Hal can. It's a beautiful day, so what do you say? Do you think that you can lend a hand today? Awesome! Now we got to cut this grass. How, you might ask? We've got to be very careful, but the lawnmower can do it fast. Trust me, it will be a blast. The handyman has got a plan. If anyone can do it, you know Hal can. It's a beautiful day, so what do you say? Do you think that you can lend a hand today? Awesome! We've got to move the mulch over here. Let's use the skid steer. We're gonna need a lot of room, so let's keep the coast clear. Let's put the steering gear. The handyman has got a plan. If anyone can do it, you know Hal can. It's a beautiful day, so what do you say? Do you think that you can lend a hand today? Awesome! Hey, tell me, do you see those leaves beneath the trees? I've got this leaf blower and this lawn is gonna look so clean. You've just got to believe the handyman has got a plan. your hat and gloves and hopefully you'll sing along. Are you ready? Come on! The handyman has got a plan. If anyone can do it, you know Hal can. It's a beautiful day, so what do you say? Do you think that you can lend a hand today? Awesome! Now we got to cut this grass. How, you might ask? We've got to be very careful, but the lawnmower can do it fast. Trust me, it will be a blast. The handyman has got a plan. If anyone can do it, you know Hal can. It's a beautiful day, so what do you say? Do you think that you can lend a hand today? Awesome! We've got to move the mulch over here. Let's use the skid steer. We're gonna need a lot of room, so let's keep the coast clear. Let's put the steering gear. The handyman has got a plan. If anyone can do it, you know Hal can. It's a beautiful day, so what do you say? Do you think that you can lend a hand today? Awesome! Hey, tell me, do you see those leaves beneath the trees? I've got this leaf blower and this lawn is gonna look so clean. You've just got to believe the handyman has got a plan. If anyone can do it, you know Hal can. It's a beautiful day, so what do you say? Do you think that you can lend a hand today?
You ready to go through the car wash? It's gonna be so much fun. Let's get this cleaning done at the car wash with Handyman Hal. Getting a dirty job done with our pal. At the car wash we're gonna do our thing. And at the car wash we're gonna make it clean. Look around at all the soap and water, the brushes and the lights. Oh, what an awesome sight at the car wash with Handyman Hal. Getting a dirty job done with our pal. At the car wash we're gonna do our thing. And at the car wash we're gonna make it clean. And now we got to clean and rinse. And once it's spotless and dried, we'll have a fancy clean ride at the car wash with Handyman Hal. Getting a dirty job done with our pal. At the car wash we're gonna do our thing. And at the car wash we're gonna make it clean.
One more time.
At the car wash with Handyman Hal. Getting a dirty job done with our pal. At the car wash we're gonna do our thing. And at the car wash we're gonna make it clean.
Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Wow, this is totally awesome.
This is gonna be awesome.
Cause we're awesome, 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 awesome. Yeah, we're awesome, 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 yes we are. And we're smart and we're cute, we're even awesome when we toot. Excuse me. We're awesome, 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 awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. We'll have fun, me and you. Being awesome's what we do. Cause we're awesome. We're awesome, 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 awesome.
How awesome was that? Wow, those are awesome. We can be singing them all day long. Because we're awesome, 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 awesome. Oh, that's great. Let's see. We were in the air a lot this year too. Like, the airplane. We took the airplane ride. Remember that? Great. And then let's see. We got to work with the hot air balloon. Oh yeah. And we took a hot air balloon ride. That was totally amazing. Man, those were great times. Well, we're all set. So let's go fly this plane. Come on. Oh yeah. All right, my friends, we're all set inside. Let's find out how this thing works. We're here, of course, with Britt, our pilot. So, what is this, our steering wheel?
Well, kinda. It's actually called a yoke because you can turn it this way and pushing forward and back makes the plane go up and down.
Oh, that's awesome. Well, let's see, we got all these cool little gauges and a lot of stuff. Man, what about that right there? What does that do?
This is the altimeter. It tells you how far up in the sky you are.
Oh, so we're gonna go up like 5,000 feet, right?
That's right.
Oh, that's cool. Well, that's got a little cool plane on it. What does that do?
So that's a compass and it shows you what direction you're flying.
Ooh. So north, south, east, and west.
Yeah.
Well, what about these levers right here? What do they do?
All right, so this is your gas. You know, in a car, you push it with your foot. In an airplane, you push it with your hand.
Oh, that's cool. And of course, we got radio, right? That's it right there?
That's it.
Oh, so then we have to radio out to let people know we're coming in the air, right?
Exactly, we sure do.
Alrighty, well, let's go.
Let's do it.
Safety first. We have to put on our seatbelt. Next, so we can communicate, we have to put on headsets with cool microphones. We're all set now. We can talk to each other, even while we're flying in the sky. Wow, look at that propeller spinning so fast.
All right, Handyman Hal, we ready to go?
All right, yeah, let's go. Oh, we got the engine on. It's running. Oh, this is gonna be awesome.
Lee County traffic, Archer 3575 X-ray will be back taxiing on 24, Lee County.
Getting out on the runway. All right, here we go. We're gonna take off now. Oh yeah. Engine's revving up. Here we go. They look so tiny. All the tiny cars and tiny trees.
We're high in the sky. Oh hey, that rhymes. With clouds and birds. And looking out of the window, we can see fields and buildings. Ooh, everything looks really tiny when you're flying up high in an airplane. Oh wow, we're above the clouds. This is amazing. Oh wow, the pilot said I can fly the plane. This is so cool. It's my first time flying a plane. I have my hands on the yoke and I'm steering the plane left, right, up and down. Maybe one day you can fly a plane or take a trip somewhere in a plane. Thanks for flying Handyman Hal Airlines.
All right, we're gonna get ready to land. I can see the runway now. Oh, this might be a little bumpy ride. Oh, here we go. We're almost down. Oh, the wheels are gonna touch. Oh, there it is.
We did it! We landed safely, and now we're back at the airport. Thanks to Pilot Fritz and the Lee County Airport, we had an awesome time flying. Oh, look! This is the fan. We're almost ready to inflate this balloon. We're gonna use this to inflate it first with a bunch of cold air. Come on, this is gonna be awesome, let's go. Awesome. Oh yeah, this is gonna be great. Wow. Check out the fan. It's blowing all the air inside the balloon and it's inflating it.
You can look inside from up here.
Oh wow.
This is the top. Remember we were talking about the top parachute?
Yep.
That's it right there. And that's looking down inside the balloon.
Oh, that's awesome.
Isn't that cool?
That's really, really cool. So that's the parachute vent. That lets all the hot air out. Oh, that's great. This is great. Wow. This is a really big balloon. But it's gonna look great in the sky. Oh wow! Those are the burners. Watch as they make huge fire flames. Wow! So that fire is now heating up the air inside of the balloon. This is what makes the balloon rise and float. That's where it gets its name. Hot air balloon. That's so cool. Oh wow, check it out. The balloon is up. That's humongous. Oh wow, isn't this awesome? Oh yeah, we're gonna have so much fun flying in this today. We're inside the basket now. And check it out, it's the burners. So how does these work?
Well, I'll tell you what, it uses propane down in these two tanks right here. When you pull these levers here, lets the propane go through the pilot light, heats it up, puts a big flame up there. You want to try it?
Oh yeah.
Do one of the silver ones.
Oh wow. That's totally awesome.
Do that long enough, we go up. Stop doing it for long enough, we go down. It's that simple a sport.
This is gonna be great. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah.
Get those fuel
We're
tanks
lifting
on
up off the ground. Oh, this is amazing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wow. Check it out. We're off the ground. Oh wow. Ooh. We're getting a little bottom off the ground. Check it out. You didn't even see the burner. Wow. This is my first time riding in a hot air balloon. What an awesome view. That was awesome. Gotta have a soft landing. Easy does it. Oh, wow. Such an amazing ride. That was awesome. Beep, 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 beep. What an amazing year we've had, right? We even got to work with some really, really cool construction vehicles, like dump trucks. Oh yeah, and excavators and cool things. Oh, and even rollers. Oh yeah. Oh, you remember that time? Oh, with expired groceries. It was great. Oh, do you remember the ketchup? It exploded everywhere. Oh yeah. So we had those and oh, even pumpkins. Oh, let's go check those out. Let's do this. Oh, this is gonna be totally awesome. Climb right on up here in the big driver's seat. Oh yeah. Crank it up. Here we go. Let's see. Oh yeah. Let's do some squishing. Oh yeah. Here we go. Let's get that throttle up. Oh yeah. And here we go. Oh yeah. First comes the cones. Oh, I hear them crunching. Oh, and there's the eggs. Oh, scrambled eggs. Oh, scrambled eggs. Oh, and now the ketchup bottles. Let's see what happens. Oh, yeah. Let's keep on going. Oh, we got the watermelon next. Oh, yeah. And then squishing it. And then squishing it. Oh yeah! Watermelon for everybody. This is totally awesome. Alrighty, here comes the green soda. Oh, there it is, and the orange soda. Oh, folks, there it is. And last but not least, the root beer. Here it goes. Here it goes. Oh, wow. Check it out. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. My friends, wasn't that totally awesome? Oh, we made a big mess. Now we got to clean it up. Well, I got my blue trash can and my shovel. Let's start. Oh, check out these cones. Oh, look how they got squished. Oh, that's totally awesome. Oh, yeah, there's one. There's two. Oh, check this one out. It's broke completely in half. And there's three. That's totally awesome. All right. Check it out. Talk about scrambled eggs. Who's ready for breakfast? Oh, those are totally awesome. All right, yep. Into the bucket it goes. Oh, and the second one here. Oh, yep. 2 scrambled eggs. There it is. That's awesome. Oh, check out these ketchup bottles. Oh, they look demolished. You remember Yeah, they busted the lids off and the ketchup went spurting so far. That was totally awesome, right? Yep. All right, let's get the first one. Yep, into the bucket. There you go. And our second one. Surprise anybody? That's awesome. Oh, wow. Check out this watermelon. Oh, wow. It's a watermelon pancake. Oh, that roller just squished it like a pancake. Now I need some syrup. Oh, that's awesome. All right, in there. Couple scoops here. There we go. Totally awesome. Oh, it smells good. Do you like watermelon? Handyman Hal does. It's totally awesome, especially when you're rolling over it. Let's check out these soda bottles. Oh, yep. Check out the green soda bottle. Oh, it busted the whole entire lid open. That was awesome, right? Oh, yeah. It's like a soda fountain. That's awesome. Got that one. Oh, check out the orange one. It did the same thing. Oh, that's totally awesome. That was easy. And the last one right here. Oh, yep. Did the same thing. It busted it right open. Root beer for everybody. That's awesome.
Oh, there it is! And the orange soda! Almost, there it is! And last but not least, the root beer! Here it goes, here it goes! Oh, wow!
Yeah. Let's see what happens. Oh. Yeah! There he goes. Oh, there's one. Oh, and there goes number 2. Oh, yeah. Almost to the third one. Oh, here we go. Yes. Listen to the crunch. Oh, yeah. We're flattening them. Oh, yeah. And the last one. Oh, yes. That was totally awesome. Oh, look at this. Come here. Look at all these pumpkin guts on this roller. How cool is that? Oh, yeah. Can you smell it? It smells like pumpkin. Stay tuned. We'll be right back right after these messages.
Handyman Hal is your most trusted handyman for all your repair needs. Need an amazing lemonade stand? How about help with learning shapes and colors? Trouble fueling your airplane? Handyman Hal can do it all. No job is too big or small for Handyman Hal. Whether your car wash needs repair or you need to get rid of some expired groceries, you can count on Handyman Hal. Give him a call today. The handyman that's got a plan. Handyman Hal. Handyman Hal is a fun kids show, and we want to say thanks for watching.
Is your slide slow? Well, then you have to try Handyman Hal Super Slide Spray. That's right, Handyman Hal Super Slide Spray is bioengineered by a scientist in a lab to fix any slow, boring slide. Just watch as Handyman Hal applies it to any slide, and it takes action, going to work right away. The scientifically engineered molecules work deep down below the slide surface to ensure a fast, fun slide.
Awesome!
That is awesome, but don't take our word for it. Just listen to what this happy customer has to say.
Our family has been using Handyman Hal Super Slide Spray for years. Before, our slide was slow and disappointing. Now it's faster than ever. Thanks, Handyman Hal. Handyman Hal Super Slide Spray. It's awesome!
I know. Handyman Hal Super Slide Spray works on any kind of slide. Small slides, big slides, loopy slides, and even water slides. Amazing. Careful, kid. Stay on the slide. Oh, there you go. So call now and order yours today. Handyman Hal Slide Spray is not a real product. It's just a fun way to say thanks for watching Handyman Hal.
Well, welcome back. Oh yeah, Super Slide Spray really does come in handy. Oh yeah, oh, sweet. It's good stuff. Well, we've even had some amazing holidays we've spent together. Oh yeah. What's your favorite holiday? I love Halloween and Christmas. Oh, you remember that time? We built that gigantic skeleton for Halloween. Oh yes. And then for Christmas, we had that amazing parade. And we got to tell everybody Merry Christmas. It was awesome. Let's go check it out.
Wow, Handyman Hal, this looks awesome.
Right, doesn't this look really cool? Oh wow, you look awesome.
Thank you.
That party's gonna be really cool.
Yeah, well actually, speaking of, it's time for the party.
Okay, awesome.
So this actually needs to come with me. You think you can make that happen?
Well, Handyman has a plan. Come on, let's go. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh wow, the skeleton is huge.
I know.
Hopefully it's not too far. This is my mom's car.
It's just down the road. We'll be there soon.
Oh wow. So Halloween. You really like Halloween?
I love Halloween. It's my favorite holiday.
Really?
What are you gonna be for Halloween?
I don't know. I thought I could be a construction worker. That would be cool. Or I could be a skeleton. That's cool. Well, what about you? Like, I see that you were a witch earlier today. What would you suggest maybe for Halloween?
You could be a mummy.
A mummy. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, and you know what the best part about Halloween is?
What?
The candy!
Yes.
Love candy. You get to go from door to door. Ding dong. Trick or treat. That's awesome. So what's your favorite kind of candy?
Probably candy corn. How about you?
Oh, candy corn, that's great. I love chocolate. Anything chocolate is great. Absolutely love it. I mean, there's all kinds of different candies. You got candy corn.
Yeah.
You got like licorice.
Yes.
That's kind of cool. All kinds of cool popcorns.
Ooh, popcorn.
Popcorns, yep. I've gotten those before. All kinds of different like fruity things, like fruity candies and bubble gum.
Bubble gum.
Don't forget about bubble gum. Oh, totally awesome. All right, Heather, here we are. Have an awesome time at your party. All right, now let's get the skeleton all set up. Oh, wow, that's perfect. This is gonna look amazing. Wow, look at everybody. They're all in the holiday spirit. And check out my safety cone that's helping me out. This parade is amazing. I see some Jeeps coming this way. Wow, a blue one. Oh, a red one. And now a yellow Jeep. Ooh, and a muddy Jeep. Maybe I can clean it for him. It's my friends from the refuge. Looks like they're having a great time at this parade. Merry Christmas! Look, here comes an ambulance. Wow, listen to the sirens. Oh, check out that classic car. It's red and white, like a candy cane. Oh, that right there? That's a bucket truck. Oh, it's so cool. The parade wouldn't be complete without a big red fire truck. This is awesome. Oh, yes. One of my favorites. A school bus. Even dogs like parades. And dinosaurs. Wow, this is amazing. We're having such an awesome time. Merry Christmas. And we would like to give a big thanks to Alpha Slingshot Rentals for this awesome ride. Oh yeah, here comes Santa Claus. Wow, that is so cool. Hey Santa, I want a new hammer for Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Come on, safety cone, keep up. Wow. What an awesome year we've had. It's been great. And especially getting to spend it with my friends. Oh yeah. I cannot wait until next year. We get to go on so many cool adventures together. Oh yeah. Well, thanks for watching Handyman Hal. I'll see you later.